You came into Kentucky with, Cason Wallace. I want you to talk a little bit about the relationship of Cason Wallace when, in high school and how that relationship has grown to being his teammate now here at Kentucky.
Actually, we actually been around each other. Just playing AAU, you meet a lot of hoopers that you don't know that you're going to see in the future. But, being around each other ever since, playing middle school at AAU, you know what I'm saying? He was on a different team, though, but, just being at the same tournaments he was at and things like that. And then my freshman year, I also played against him on the EYBL circuit. He actually made a game-winning bucket against us. He reminded me that was him. I didn't know that was him, but
you looking back and you're like, hey, hold on.
Yeah, that was him that made the shot. That was funny. He reminded me when we was in the Bahamas, but
sure.
And also I really got to build a relationship with him and talk to him at the All-American camps and games that we were at together. So
how was that? How was the All-American? Being a McDonald All-American, that's a special moment as well.
Yeah, the McDonald's All-American thing is dope. It was just a lot of fun. Jordan Brand Classic, just a lot of fun. It was just being around, your friends and the other top hoopers that you've been knowing since you were young. It was just fun. Just seeing how we grew, you know what I'm saying? Just being able to compete with each other was dope.
Facts.